Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the air pressure. Air has a weight, although it weighs very little. The weight of all the air in the atmosphere is huge. The weight of the atmosphere pushes down and exert pressures on the Earth's surface. Fortunately, the weight is spread over the large area. So, what is the weight? The weight is of an atmosphere pushing down the unit area on the Earth's surface is called an atmospheric pressure. At sea, the level atmospheric pressure is about 1 kg per square centimeter. You don't feel this pressure because the balance of the internal pressure of the body. The atmosphere is the densest near the Earth's surface. On one climb higher, As one climbs higher, the air becomes less dense and exert pressure. Therefore, the atmosphere pressure decreases with the increasing of the altitude. Air becomes lighter and exert less pressure when the temperature is increases. So, air becomes lighter when there is a temperature increases. Hot air rises and flows upward. On the other hand, air becomes dense and heavy when its temperature decreases. Cold air exerts more pressure and it sinks and flows down. Atmospheric pressure is measured by using the barometer. A simple barometer consists of a long mercury filled with a glass tube inverted over a cup of mercury. The pressure of the air on the mercury in a cup pushes up the mercury in the tube. At the sea level, atmosphere supports a column of mercury 76 centimeter high. Atmospheric pressure is measured in terms of height of the mercury column. The unit millibar is often used to measure the pressure. The pressure of 1000 millibar equals to 75 centimeter of a mercury column at the sea level. Atmosphere is 1013.2 millibar. The mercury barometer is a large and not portable. The anoid barometer is more commonly used. The anoid barometer is more commonly used. It doesn't use any liquid, is therefore easily handled. It has a metal box which is partially impeded on air. The box is sensitive in variation of the air pressure. When it expands, the pressure is low and get compressed. When the pressure is high, the box is connected to the pointer which moves over a scale indicate the atmospheric pressure. Wind speed and direction. Wind, as you know, is a horizontal